What's up, guys? Welcome back to What You Doing Reacts. Today is final episode of Chainsawman of season 1. What's this, Katana versus Chainsaw?
Ooh,
what's episode 12?
Let's go.
Let's go. So we've been watching it's episode 1 with Akira.
Yeah.
Is it Akira or Vegeta?
Tomato.
I feel like I get that wrong. Anyways, so what happened last episode?
They entered the building, eh?
Yeah, they entered the building.
Well, they're fighting.
Oh, we got to
Aki
see some
is
new...
fighting someone.
What are they called?
Yeah.
Some new themes.
The ghost thing.
Some new thing. Oh yeah, some new people. Hey, you know, like the angel person.
Yeah.
The shark. Yeah. What else?
The violence devil.
The violence devil. What did he do?
He wears the plague mask and he just punches people.
Oh, okay. Interesting. Yeah.
That was it, eh?
So it's
was
like
the ghost? We saw the ghost devil as well again.
Or the spider. Yeah, the
spider.
Oh, yeah.
Or Aki's fighting the spider.
But this is the ghost devil.
The ghost devil.
Yeah,
That's the one that kind of looks like a spider? Or not? I'm thinking of a completely different
There's
one.
a spider devil, which is also in the unit that's fighting, but you probably don't remember.
Yeah, no, I think I remember.
I just know this is ghost. This is the ghost devil.
What were we talking about before cameras were rolling?
Oh yeah, wait, good question actually.
The future. I'm saying he should have used it by now, you know? But Ian's saying they're just hyping it up.
So like he got it in his left eye, didn't he trade his eye for it or something?
Yeah.
So now it's in him, right?
Just in him,
yeah, it's in him.
And he hasn't spoken to him yet, I think, because like the future devil was trying to speak to him and say, oh, when you speak to me, you'll fucking beat him or some shit like that. I don't know.
Didn't he say,
So
let me show you a little taste of the future? And
Yeah.
then he's like, do you understand it? He's like, yeah, I do.
Yeah.
And the fight continued.
Okay, wait, so what does that mean? That he's been speaking to him and like he might be using the powers right now?
We'll have to find out.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
What's our predictions this episode? The finale.
I can Aki beats this chick, beats her, slashes her up.
Yeah.
But it's Chainsaw vs Katana, so I feel like maybe, even though it's been quite slow paced in the episodes, maybe we'll get like quite a lot in this episode. Where like
season
Katana
finale. Season finale.
Will we get the touch?
Because Katana Man survived, right? They got away in the car.
Do you see the gun devil?
In the
that's true.
Do you see the gun devil?
No way. I don't think they will.
Wait,
But this
They're just
episode
floating. Yeah, true.
The interesting thing as well is that we don't like know that much about this conflict. You know, if we actually think about it, we don't know that much. It's like Makima, hella OP, fighting these dudes. They haven't really told us like much of what they're after, and it's like we don't know the motives of like either side. It's like
that was the Yakuza though, right? So the Yakuza. So we got to always remember, right? So from my understanding, right, the Yakuza is kind of pairing up with the devils, right? And they want control, so they're trying to obviously get rid of those guys, right? The divisions in the police people. What are the names? Devil hunters.
Yeah.
So that's like kind of that perspective.
But, yeah, it's like. So I feel like in the season finale, like something crazy is gonna happen where we learn about some like motives or something.
I want to see what happens with Makima.
Yeah, exactly.
Because like surely we've seen some sus shit, right?
Yeah, she's got to be like evil or something. I don't know.
No, she's for humans.
You're surely.
Bro, I'm hyped for Denji, bro. I want to see what happens with Denji, man. Let's see, man. Even Denji versus Katana, man. Surely you get something for Katana, right?
It's the climax.
Yeah, there's got to be a sick fight in this episode, surely.
I reckon Katana Man dies, I reckon.
Yeah, for sure, bro. Denji needs to get what he wants.
But he needs to level up. Has all that training paid off?
Yeah, exactly. They went through a training arc.
Oh yeah, where they kept getting killed.
So it's like they could be hella OP, right?
Maybe they're like a
Denji
dynamic duo, you know what I mean? Chucking shit and stuff.
Yeah.
Maybe, fuck. Yeah, I'm keen for it, honestly.
The action scenes will be good this one.
Anyways.
Wow, that's good, guys.
Anyway, shall we get into it? Don't forget, guys, like, subscribe, Patreon would be appreciated. Alright, guys, also, we're going to be starting a new channel, What You're Doing Reacts TV. And that's going to be predominantly for anime and other kind of shows. And that'll just kind of be a separate reacts channel. So we'll have a link to that in the description. Don't forget to check that out. It would be nice to subscribe to that so you can keep up to date. And yeah, hopefully, well, last episode of Chainsawman, it's going to be a while, but we get plenty to get through of other content, and it should be good.
Oh yeah.
Anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll get into it.
Yeah, let's go.
Easy, let's go.
This is a flashback.
Yeah, I think it's dreaming.
Oh. This is when she got him hooked. She knows.
Fair enough.
It's understandable. Happened to all of us. Marco, you're the biggest Doraemon here.
Yeah. The backyard.
What's happening here?
What the fuck's happened?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Jesus Christ.
Aww.
Oh my god.
You think there's some of Aki left in the Ghost Devil?
Like human hair.
Yeah, some of Aki left in the Ghost Devil.
Easy revenge.
Obviously, he hasn't sparked that up right now. Right? Surely.
Whoa. I like this soundtrack.
Yeah, same.
Did the future devil help them?
Oh, Done Daisy. Done Daisy. That was a good intro.
Yeah.
That was a good
Wait, so
vibe.
what happened there?
So the Ghost Devil, right?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a big spider.
Yeah, I just saw that.
I'll call him Harry. I'll call him Harry.
That's the same one.
Ghost Devil, right? So it seeds, right, by fear. And that's what Aki was told by, what's the chick's name again? Himeno. Yeah, so he was not scared, he was not afraid.
Yeah.
So he could just walk up.
Yeah, but why did you give him a cigarette?
Oh, no, because I think
What's
that
the
was...
name?
Because like that, so they took the Ghost Devil took Aki's body, Himeno's body, right? So I'm assuming that's kind of like symbolic. Kind of like has...
It's the last message.
Yeah, like it's part of the Ghost Devil at least. Part of what he chopped off.
Oh, so why did this chick inherit that ghost?
Because they used to have a deal with the devil. Himeno did.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, she's OP.
Yeah. Finally, man.
Done Daisy.
She really doesn't want to become a sex worker.
Very true, very true.
Look at these guys.
This chick wouldn't care.
Oh my god.
Wait, these two are actually pretty funny together, these two characters.
Yeah.
Katana versus Chainsawman.
Here we go. What?
Jeez.
So do you remember last episode?
Yeah,
where
they went into the
Katana
building. Yeah.
had all the zombies around him?
Here we go.
Big one.
Place it. Oh! Hey!
Bro, I actually love Power, honestly. Like, as a character.
No, but she just left Denji, bro. Like, now Denji's
Did you love her?
Well, like, you can't blame him.
No, he's going off. He doesn't need to deal with the zombies yet.
No, but like, she didn't have to deal with that either.
Yeah.
Like, why not help him?
Oh, he's ready to pull it. Oh!
Shit.
Here we go.
No way. I don't believe it. Next.
Oh.
He just has to take it off. He just has to take it off his hand.
Well, that was a quick transformation, man. Oh, Chainsaw wins all day.
Oh, jeez.
It's gotten better.
Jesus
It's
Christ.
gotten better.
This is crazy. No, you can take that.
Yeah. He's been killed like 1,000 times.
Yeah, exactly.
Sure.
What the fuck? You just killed someone beneath the fucking in the carriage.
前よりは動けるみたいだな。デンジ、お前は何のために戦ってる？この
Titties.
生活を守るためかな。
Oh no, his motivations have
そんな
changed.
大層な暮ら
Ah,
し
he's
をしてる。
lying, man.
No, he's being truthful.
だからさっさとてめえ倒して、マキマさんに褒めてもらえ
Yeah, there we go. Last time he gets super speed, right?
Who?
Chinaman.
Oh yeah, he's dashed, eh?
Yeah.
That could just be an anime thing, I don't know.
To be fair, Denji's putting the pressure on right now. Yeah. Maybe he's got to do something.
Yeah, that.
Imagine being on your way to fucking Central and this shit happens.
Yeah.
Jeez. See, okay, you see what I mean? He can dash, eat his own arm, then you eat his own arm to regenerate. No, I'm serious.
Probably could.
See what I mean? Dash, he dashed
Yeah, but he needs to get ready.
Oh, both arms.
and
He's still got his head in.
もう戦えないだろう。な、デンジ。まだ戦えるぜ。頭にチェーンソーが乗っかってる。
Oh, I like it.
That's insane, eh?
Don't tell me his head gets chopped off. No.
Do you reckon the trainer has got him doing this as a drill? Maybe.
引き時ってやつ。
Oh!
This guy actually shoots on him, eh?
Yeah.
No, he's trained for this, he's got this.
ご丁寧に頭に
Power's gonna come in hot.
アンガとなバー
Oh!
Shit. He's fucking insane.
Wait, what?
He's fucking insane.
he used his chainsaw dick.
Oh my god.
You get a chainsaw dick and his third leg you just don't see it.
Oh.
What the fuck happened?
Don Doozy, you can have a chainsaw leg.
Yeah.
How do you know he had that?
Training, maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Let's go with that.
まあいろいろ納得できないんだよね。
Oh.
てめえは姫の先輩を殺した。面のいい美人がてめえのせいで一人減ったんだ。
Fair enough.
お互いにこいつの金玉を蹴っていく。
I like that.
警察が来るまでに一番でけえ悲鳴を出させたやつの勝ち。正気かお前。
Oh, I think that's a good idea.
Get it done.
Come
He's
on.
not sure though.
乗んねえのか
Good revenge.
Do it.
俺たちの仕事は今年だって姫の先輩は喜ばない。
Yeah. Fuck.
Some nut shots, bro.
Denji, you just do it.
He still has a shot.
変わったら何くれんだ
Oh, what? I told
それは
you.
もちろんこいつだ。
Don Doozy.
Come on, we better see it. We better see it. No,
Don't
we don't get to see it, man. Oh, yes. 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 Oh!
俺たちから安泰に
Do you reckon you could die from this?
デクリンだ。
Denji did it to Aki, so
Yeah.
it's probably just.
They're
just getting into
together,
it.
yeah.
Why are the credits playing?
銃をヤクザに流しました。その対価として沢渡は チェーンソーの悪魔の心臓を要求していたそうです。彼が聞き出す前に。
Oh. She's dead as well.
ついにどこに向かって動いた
Wait.
Done Daisy.
Oh, I'm actually pretty happy with the episode though.
Yeah.
That felt so quick, man.
It went really quick, but
Well, it was action fast.
yeah.
Should we watch that ending?
Oh, looks cute.
Yeah, let's watch it. Yeah, let's
Let's
actually watch
watch
it.
it.
Denji and Power are actually cute together, I feel.
You ship them?
Yeah.
I didn't initially, but now I'm starting to. Honestly, I can see it.
Doc is. This is his everyday life with these two.
But that actually looks like a fun time, like living with them.
Oh yeah.
Like they're having fun together. It's like a pretty good dynamic. I don't know. It's pretty cute. Damn, and now they're like doing fucked up shit, beating up devils and shit.
There's more.
Chance smoked a cigarette.
Ooh.
I mean, he did.
One
get
puff.
revenge.
Oh, I thought it was gonna do the whole thing.
Oh, back to the first episode.
Yeah, legit.
What is this?
It's the first episode.
落ちた落ちた出てこいよ夢の中くらい撫でさせてくれ絶対に開けちゃダメだ
Anyone check that?
Jesus Christ.
Creepy as fuck.
Thank God we watched the ending.
Yeah.
Stop it.
I swear it was too short. I swear this is like.
Yeah.
They probably cut out the actual, like, ending song.
デンジ君はさ田舎のネズミと都会のネズミどっちがいい
Between the what?
But is the mother cooked?
Wait, say that again. Between the what and the what?
Between the country mouse and the.
Shall I go back?
Watching music?
That was
Which
weird.
one would you want?
So he went through the door.
Is that the end?
Yeah, it is.
He's been played by a devil somehow.
You reckon?
Yeah, has to be.
Why do you say that?
Tell me then.
田舎のネズミと都会のネズミ
Who's that talking?
どっちがいい
Yeah, who is
I
that?
just assumed it was a mother. 'Cause
It sounds like Makima, bro.
Was it? I don't think it's anyone.
You don't think?
Yeah, but like, does he regret his like moving lives? Because he was in like the country. Is it meant to be like about how he used to live in the country before a pretty shitty life, but now he's in the city, or not?
Seems like a brother.
I don't know.
Maybe.
Yeah.
But that just made more questions and answers.
Season 2.
The whole fucking episode was confusing.
Yeah, it was a bit confusing this episode, eh?
Yeah.
feel
Or
like-
finale.
I think no. Well, let's to start off with, it wasn't confusing.
Okay.
Like it was actually okay to start off with Katana Man versus Chainsawman.
Yeah.
Arc was
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, and then he pulls out a fucking trick power we didn't know he
Oh,
had.
that was insane.
That's a training arc. That's why.
Yeah, how do we know
training
about-
arc.
That was pretty cool.
That was cool.
That was out of nowhere. It was, got questions.
Hmm.
Not really. Like I feel like I feel like I kind of didn't not expect it.
Yeah.
Like he had to win. Like he wasn't gonna lose against Katana Man. You know what I mean?
But also in the ending scene, like before the credits, there was like Makima there. I feel like I don't know.
She's
Just
got a plan,
her motives are just like I feel like she needs something from Denji. That's 100%. And these guys are all trying to kill Denji. Why? Like why do all the devils want to fucking kill Denji?
What makes him
Yeah,
so
no.
desirable to?
Yeah, what?
It's got to be
Why is
related.
his heart
To,
as
We
well?
still don't know.
It's just his heart.
Why do you have such a high price on his back?
it's related to
Achiever.
Makima. It's got to be, right?
No, but like
Well,
why?
the devils are going after Denji though.
Yeah.
Like, what's
Yeah,
the
but
point?
And
she's just
Makima
not-
is protecting him for some reason. Like he's gonna be so OP. I don't know. Or
Is
there's
it not
gotta
just
be
that he's just
something.
unkillable? Is that not the reason?
No, but
I
he's
feel like
killable.
there's-
It's killable. Everyone's killable, bro.
There's got to be
there
more.
must be something that he has.
Yeah,
Yeah, true.
Some
And-
connection.
Yeah. I feel like that's something that we would learn like later, maybe.
What's his sacrifice? I think that's the difference. He doesn't have a. You know, these
Yeah.
contracts always have a sacrifice.
Yeah, true.
What did he
Because he
sacrifice?
Yeah, he's
I
the
don't
first.
think-
He's the first of his kind.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So what are fiends though?
Yeah, but
No, they're just
devils.
taken over
They're
by
devils
Yeah.
They're like hopping.
Yeah.
in a human body.
Interesting. Yeah, many questions.
Yeah, he's contractless.
When is season 2 gonna come out?
Very fucking
For like
It's
crazy.
gonna
5
be a
years.
while, bro. It's gonna be a while.
I hope it's
Legit?
like a year.
But
Imagine like Attack on Titan happened to this. You know what I mean?
would it be season 2 or would it be season 1 part 2? You know, would it continue on episode 13
True.
to 14? You know, if it's like that, if it's in the same season, I don't know, maybe soon.
How long does that usually take?
But it could be
24.
soon. Like, I don't know. But yeah, I don't know. If it's like a whole other season, then yeah, you'll be waiting years probably. I don't know.
Yeah.
Unless they've announced it. I don't think you'd announce it. You know?
Yeah.
I saw people were trying to petition to redirect and reanimate it.
Really?
Why?
Why?
What the hell?
They're just not happy with it.
What?
They're not like grateful for it.
Really?
I feel like with the reanimation, it's like a lot of the anime community, they have something against like the CGI and stuff.
Really?
Like, yeah, I don't know.
I thought it was pretty good.
It was done cleanly compared to Attack on Titan.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't think it was
This-
done bad.
You know what I mean?
I think it was pretty smooth. There were some parts here and there where it was like not necessary and it made it look a little choppy, but like for the most part, it was like pretty good. I don't know.
Why would you risk changing studio over that?
Yeah, exactly.
Like changing the whole thing.
It's not worth it.
Yeah.
Hopefully, they don't take too long though.
Yeah,
Well, I mean, the fact
hopefully
that they
not.
have CGI should mean that it could come out sooner, right?
That's a good point.
That is a benefit
Fair.
of CGI.
But like Josh
Yeah.
said, who knows?
Yeah, I don't know. We'll see.
Anyways, we are.
That was a good anime, eh?
Yeah, so
That was
the whole
good.
season, like a season wrap up, guys.
Yeah.
Like I'm honestly, I kind of like towards the end it got a bit more serious.
Yeah.
That's what I found was a big thing. Especially the last couple of episodes.
It was a good build up for this stage.
Mm.
It was a good build up.
Yeah. Yeah. It's like when you actually look back, it's like the characters have gone through a lot. It's like, I don't know, it's like Denji used to have that like shitty life where he lived in that shed.
Yeah.
Then he only had one motivation.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the
And now he's
beginning was
actually
more-
fighting for something.
More titties, and it got more. It got more serious.
Yeah.
And that's how you can tell, you know what I mean?
Katana Man took a
So when there's
beautiful
no
woman
titties,
out of the
what's-
world.
Yeah.
They dumb it down for us boys. You know?
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, thanks for watching Chainsawman season 1 with us. Honestly, it's exceeded my expectations. Really enjoyed it.
So good.
Hopefully, season 2 isn't too far along. We'll see.
Next month.
Keep up to date.
Oh, please.
Oh, you're dreaming.
I hope it's next week, you know what I mean?
Please.
I know, right?
I hope
Please.
it's next week.
No way. I
Jim
don't
play
think
this
so.
for sure.
Anyway, guys, what can I say? Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully, our new channel, What You're Doing Reacts TV, should be up and running by then, and we'll have new content on there. So check that out. Link will be in the description. Anyways, like, subscribe. Thank you as always. See you later.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Bye.
guys.
See ya.
You fade away as you fade